Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make Enoki beef rolls. This dish is actually inspired by my cousin and her immediate family. They made this once for a holiday and it was super good. I'm going to attempt it in two ways. The first way is air frying, and the second way I actually saw this on TikTok. I will link the TikTok in the description below, so please check it out. With that, let's get to the kitchen. This recipe is actually super easy and fun to make with only a few ingredients. Put on your gloves today because we'll be working with a lot of raw meat. First, lay a strip of fatty beef flat on the board. Grab a small bunch of Enoki mushroom and lay it on the edge of the beef strip. Now tightly roll it up. Repeat the process until you run out of ingredients and you have a tray of Enoki beef rolls. Let's make the sauce for the TikTok method. We need water, soy sauce, and mirin. Now grease your pan and place the onions evenly across the pan. Lay the Enoki beef rolls on top of the onions. Pour in your sauce. Cover with the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and pour in your egg on top of the Enoki beef rolls. Now let's air fry. Place your Enoki beef rolls into the air fryer. Brush them with oil and don't forget to season with salt and pepper. I did forget to do that here, so I ended up seasoning after they finish air frying. Air fry for 400 degrees for 5 minutes. If you had previously forgotten this step like me, you can now season the air fry rolls with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. For the TikTok rolls, we're going to garnish with sesame seed and green onions. Time to taste test. I'm going to have my rolls with soba noodles. This is pre-packaged, but I did make some homemade soba noodles previously. Check that video out if you haven't yet. First up, TikTok rolls. How attractive. Delicious. Time to clean my palate with some soba noodles. Next up, air fried rolls. Also pretty good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.